Are you a coffee lover who can't start day without a perfect cup of espresso? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of espresso machines, exploring the best options to elevate your coffee game. Did you know that choosing the right espresso machine can make a world of difference in the taste and quality of your coffee? Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the world of espresso or a seasoned coffee enthusiast, finding the perfect machine is crucial. About this item cashback: earn up to $200 with BN subscription on selected Breville machines valid Aug 1st, 2023 June 30th, 2024. Third Wave Coffee Breville Barista Express delivers cafe quality coffee at home. Dose control grinding integrated burr grinder for precise coffee doses. Optimal pressure low pressure pre-infusion for balanced flavor. Precise extraction digital temperature control for perfect espresso. Microfoam milk steam wand for latte art and enhanced flavor. Grind size dial control grind size for any bean type. Built-in grinder grind directly into the portafilter. Accessories included tools and components for perfect coffee making. Capacity: a half lb bean hopper, 67 Oz water tank, adjustable settings. About this item: 20 bar pressure optimal water flow for aromatic, robust espresso. NTC temperature control perfect temperature for balanced coffee and quick milk froth. Powerful milk froth steam wand for rich microfoam, ideal for lattes and cappuccinos. Adjustable shots, choose between 1 or 2 shots for your perfect cup. Compact easy clean fits any kitchen, detachable water tank and drip tray. Customer satisfaction: 12-month warranty and lifetime tech support. There you have it, coffee lovers. We hope this video has equipped you with the knowledge and confidence to choose the best espresso machine for your brewing needs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coffee-related content. Until next time, happy brewing.